we are aggressively expanding solar-powered irrigation systems. Solar irrigation directly addresses the problem. It removes fuel costs entirely. Once installed, irrigation becomes stable, predictable, and insulated from all price vulnerability. Yung pinuntahan po namin ni President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. po sa Camsor, halimbawa lang po yun, yung mga farmers natin doon, yung co-op, nagbabayad po sila ng 450,000 monthly. At nagko-contribute po yung mga farmers nila dati ng 12 sacks, 12 kabans, 50 kilograms per kaban po, para po sa fuel nila. Lagi pa po silang napuputulan, hindi pa po enough yun. Ngayon po, dahil na-install na yung kanilang solar pump doon, wala na po silang binabayaran ngayon sa fuel. Ito po ang direction. Dapat patungo po tayo sa irrigation na independence sa fuel at electricity. Ikalawa, we are strengthening and expanding our gravity irrigation systems. Gravity irrigation is the most sustainable solution. Walang fuel, walang energy cost, tubig lang ang dumadaloy mula sa pinanggagalingan papunta po sa bukid. May bonus pa po na power generation, bulk water, aquaculture, flood control, at tourism opportunities. Every hectare po that we convert to gravity irrigation is a permanent removal of fuel dependency. Pangatlo po, habang nasa transition po tayo, we recognize the immediate burden of on our farmers. This is why we support targeted fuel assistance through organized irrigators associations to ensure efficiency and accountability po. Ikaapat, we are improving irrigation efficiency. Through canal rehabilitation, desilting, and better water management, we reduce water loss and minimize the need for pumping. Mas kaunting pumping, mas mababang gastos. Ikalima, we are leveraging technology through the NIA Smart Agriculture Compound Center.